Why are periods painful? Let's try to understand the causes of menstrual pain and see if there is something that can correlate with your menstruation. Have you ever wondered why periods are painful? For so many women, it could be mild to discomfort to severe, but for others, it feels like a sharp cramp, back pain, nausea, or even pain that stops you from doing daily activities. And the most common thing women hear is periods are supposed to be painful, so you have to put up with it. But is that really true? Today, let's understand why periods cause pain, what is normal, and when pain is a signal from your body that needs attention. So, what actually happens during periods? Every month, your uterus prepares for pregnancy for building a soft lining called the endometrium, and when pregnancy does not occur, the body needs to shed this lining. To do that, the uterus releases hormones called prostaglandins. These prostaglandins cause the uterine muscles to contract so the lining can come out as menstrual blood. These contractions are similar to mild labor pains. The higher the prostaglandins, the stronger the contractions and the more pain you feel. But what's the most common reason for period cramps? And why some women feel more pain than others is what we need to understand. Well, not all periods are equally painful. And why is that? It's because pain depends on hormone balance, stress levels, blood flow to the uterus, and individual pain sensitivity also. Some women produce excess prostaglandins which cause severe cramps, low back pain, thigh pain, nausea or diarrhea. And stress and poor sleep can also amplify these pain signals from the brain, making periods feel worse. So yes, your brain and hormones are deeply connected to period pain, and some medical conditions are also linked to these painful periods, which are very important to understand because not all pain is normal. There could be some underlying conditions as well. Common causes include endometriosis, when the uterine tissue, the endometrial tissue is growing outside your uterus. It causes intense pain during periods. Then there could be fibroids, which are non-cancerous growths in the uterus that increase pressure and cramps. Adenomyosis could also be a reason, when the uterine lining grows into the muscles, which lead to heavy and painful periods. It could be a cause of painful periods. Pelvic infections or hormonal imbalances are also a cause. Now, if period pain is worsening every month, stops you from going to work, needs stronger painkillers, it should not be ignored. Periods are common, but painful periods are not something you should suffer through silently. Your body uses pain as a signal. Understand the cause, and which is the first step towards relief and better reproductive health. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to contact us. Also, like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.